Hi everyone, welcome back to this little happy space. I hope you find happiness here. So today's video is going to be all about lipsticks. Today I'm going to show you guys 5 top nude lipsticks of mine which are under 300 rupees. I think 300 rupees for a lipstick is quite a decent price point, and most of them are under 200 rupees. Only 2 are above 200 rupees. So yeah, I have tried to keep different color families like mauves and pinks and browns. So I think this video is going to help you quite a lot. And also I have not included any mini lipstick in this video because mini lipsticks under 300 rupees is still quite expensive. So yeah, that is all. Let's get started with today's video. So in a very random order, the first lipstick I'm going to talk about is this one right here. This is the NY Bay lip crayon. It looks like this, and the shade is 37 Nude Say No No. So this is a beautiful mauvey brown kind of a shade, more mauve, less brown, but this looks quite flattering on fair to medium skin tone. This is not meant for darker skin tone, and this is not long lasting. This is very creamy, and this is very cheap as well. This is under, I got it for 89 rupees. I don't know the exact MRP. I'm going to put it in the description box, but I got it for 89 rupees only. And this is not a very long lasting lip color. This fades off very easily, I guess after 2 or 3 hours maximum. But yeah, this is the first lipstick. So the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is this one right here. This is the Swiss Beauty non-transfer waterproof lipstick in the shade 418 Rusty Nude. I think I got this for 200 rupees, if I'm not wrong. The actual MRP of this product is 225 rupees. I'm going to mention it in the description box. But this is a very pretty shade of brown mixed with dust. This is going to be a perfect nude shade for slightly darker skin tone than mine. Even in my skin tone, this doesn't look exactly what nude should be. But this is quite creamy. The formula is very nice and it is extremely long lasting. So I love this one. Okay, so the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is this one right here. I think most of you guys already know about it. This is Touch of Spice by Maybelline. This is a very famous shade. This is one of their best sellers, and I know why. Because this is an extremely flattering shade of mauve pink. This would work for light to medium to slightly darker skin tone. This would not work for extremely darker skin tone. And if you are a makeup lover or a lipstick lover in general and you do not own this shade, you should get this one because this is extremely flattering, and this is not very long lasting or something like that, but this stays for a decent amount of time, and I bought it for 299 rupees. It hardly comes on sale, so I think I bought it for 299 only. So now comes the only liquid lipstick of this video. This is Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color in the shade 11. This is a very pretty nude pink shade. This is not extremely opaque. I have to go over 2 layers to cover my pigmented lips. But this is quite long lasting, not extremely long lasting, and this is transfer proof. The shade is only going to work from light to medium skin tone. This would not work for even slightly darker skin tone, because even for me sometimes when I get tan, this doesn't work for me, but right now this works for me very nicely. When it does, it looks great. So yeah. Okay, so the last lipstick of this video, also my favorite one, is this one right here. This is Faces Canada lipstick in the shade 01 Forsake Beauty. This is a true brown shade, and on my skin tone it is quite dark, but this is going to be the perfect nude shade for the darker skin tones out there. The only downside of this lipstick is that it is quite drying, but the shade is extremely flattering. And the MRP of the lipstick is 299 rupees, but it comes on sale very frequently, and I got it for 150 only, because I bought it, when I bought it there was an buy one get one sale going on. So I got two this kind of lipsticks for 299 rupees. So that was all for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed. If the video was helpful, I think I deserve that little hit on that subscribe button, don't I? So subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming up with different kind of videos.